When a male reach the age between 22 to 30 years old, they always have a common problem in the hair loss, which is the male pattern hair loss level 3 and also known as M shape. Due to this, their confidence level is affected tremendously. At Glomac, we have a solution, Smart FEE procedure. Male pattern hair loss level 3. So let's see how he's thinning the hair and the hair loss. This is still his existing hair and is receded. Light is able to go through here. And if you see carefully, here we have hair and over here we do not have. He have receded. This is the frontal temple angle. This is wider recession and this is deep recession and is like a triangle here. We have just completed doing a design to give him a matured look and natural look. Around here we're going to put a single hair and we're going to create irregularity so that to give him the natural look which is undetectable that you have done a hair transplant.